Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reorder games and apps on the home screen in Epson Smart TV Projector. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings in the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down for device preferences, and right here we want to enter home screen. Inside you should find Reorder Apps and Reorder Games. Click on the Apps first, and here you'll be able to adjust the app icons on your home screen like this. Click on OK, and then you'll be able to select New App, and it goes on like this. Now we can go back and go for Reorder Games. Now if you have any games installed, you'll be able to reorder them the same way as apps. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.